of the Data Protection Commissioner has undertaken national awareness programs, and indeed we will continue to sensitize Kenyans from all facets of life on the integral necessity of ensuring that any data that comes into our possessions remains private and secure. We will do the same for data controllers, data processors, as well as data subjects themselves, the Kenyan public, on their obligations as well as their rights. In addition, the Office of the Data Protection Commissioner has rolled out data protection training in collaboration with the School of Government and other pre-qualified trainers. I want to urge all government institutions, bodies, ministries, parastatals, to ensure that as a first-line activity when they roll out their annual work plans, they also ensure that all those working in the public sector to be responsive of the need of ensuring data privacy and data security undergo comprehensive training in this area.
We believe that Kenya is in a space under the leadership of His Excellency and our Cabinet Secretary to lead the world on promoting data protection to ensure that we are compliant and moving this country and Africa towards making sure that we take the issue of data protection centrally.
The of the chatbot is informed by the need to empower ordinary citizens to take responsibility for their personal data while using the internet, as well as provide guidance to various organizations to handle personal data at various levels within government and of course also the private sector.
Nake mutumia wa munini wa president